Stop setting goals the wrong way. If you want to set your goals, it's not about the outcomes, it's about actions. I will show you the scientific method we use to set goals for our clients and give you a bonus tip by the end of the video. Focus on actions, not outcomes. Here's the problem. Most people set goals around results. They say, I want to hit $10,000 a month. Cool, but the minute they hit that goal, they coast, they ease off. That's where people went wrong. They focus on hitting a number, not on staying consistent with the actions that got them there. The secret? Make the activities the goal, not the result. At the end of the day, ask yourself, did I do what I said I'd do? That's the metric, not did I hit the outcome, because outcomes are a byproduct of actions. If you focus on doing the right things day in and day out, results follow. The step-by-step too. Set your goals. Now, let's take this one step further, especially for business. We're going to show you the method to set goals. It's straightforward and actionable. Here are the 4 steps you need. Step 1. Identify the problem. What's holding you back? Too often, we jump to conclusions without even knowing what the issue is. Don't say, we need to redesign the website. Ask, what problem are we solving with that redesign? Get to the root. Step 2. Form a hypothesis. Simple. If X, then Y. If your problem is low website conversions, maybe your hypothesis is, if we redesign the site, conversions will improve. Keep it actionable. Step 3. Measure X and Y. How will you know if you did the thing? And how will you know if it worked? Measure the actions, X, and the results, Y. So in this example, X might be running weekly A/B tests, and Y is an increase in conversion rate. Step 4. Execute and review. Did you follow through? Did it work? If not, why not? Maybe the execution wasn't consistent, or maybe your hypothesis was off. Either way, you're learning and can adjust moving forward. To wrap it up, don't just focus on outcomes. Focus on the actions that drive those outcomes. The goal isn't just to dream up some result, it's to consistently take actions that get you there. Bonus tip. Action creates results. Start small. Take one problem you want to solve in your business and run it through this process for 30 days. Test, adjust, and optimize. You'll be amazed at what clarity and consistency can achieve. Remember, action creates results. Set the right actions as your goals, and you'll get where you want to go. If you find this video helpful, subscribe and share it with someone who's stuck chasing outcomes. See you in the next video.